today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I am almost scared to tell you. I'm almost scared to talk about what I want to talk about today. It is about Bitcoin, and I'm gonna pull up one chart, one indicator which you did not expect to see today, but which also goes most likely against what most of you are expecting right now and most of you are thinking right now. I want to pull that out and tell you exactly what it means from A to B, from A to Z actually, in a very easy to understand manner. Guys, go down below, press the like button, press subscribe, press the bell, comment down below, whatever you feel comfortable with. We need to get this video out into the world, so please help me on my mission here and bump up the YouTube algorithm here to show YouTube this video is important and it has to be seen by the world. Let's go straight into the content. Dear ladies and gentlemen, today is a very important video, a very short one, yet a very important. I am going to go into this chart. I am going to talk about what I'm expecting here in regards to that. I talked a little bit about it already here 1.5 days ago, 2 days ago when I uploaded my last video. But before that, let me show you actually something. I am so scared for every Bitcoin bear right now. Bitcoin retraced 78, 79, 80%, something like that already. Exactly what should have been expected here in every single bear market. We are retracing approximately around 80%, 85, 90%, depends of course on the cycle. So now, of course, we were all, including me, surprised that we broke below the previous all-time high. But if we are looking just at the on-chain indicators, for example, the percent of entities being in a profit right now, and this, let me quickly go back here, beautiful Singapore, of course, really amazing. This I have to explain. Addresses, of course, that's clear. Every single Bitcoin address, which holds a Bitcoin or whatever, 0.1, whatever amount of Bitcoin is going into the calculation of Bitcoin addresses. Bitcoin entities is a much more accurate indication for on-chain indicators like that, because it clusters many addresses which belong to the same person, institution, so to speak, entity. So what we can see on this specific indicator here is that the number of entities, or the percent of entities in profits, is right now as low as it has been exactly on the day of the previous bear market low in November 2018, when Bitcoin had $3,150. Right now, we are getting into this green buying zone. Why is this indicator so important and so important to understand, important to look at? Whenever the most amount of people, the most amount of entities are holding or trading Bitcoin in a severe loss, this is when the market is flushed out. I thought myself it was flushed out at 19, 20, 21,000 US dollars already, but it was not. Actually, right now is the moment. Once again, that doesn't mean Bitcoin is not gonna break another few $100 or whatever lower. That doesn't mean Bitcoin is gonna skyrocket today or tomorrow or next week. It means we are at or very close to the bottom with a high degree of certainty. Right now, almost everyone is holding or trading in a loss. Only the longest holders from like 5 years ago who never ever touched their Bitcoin are still in a profit. And that is exactly what the market means and needs to be cleared out and to be ready for another movement towards the upside. You can actually see the same thing has happened right here. And if I were to zoom out, you can see that every single bear market in the history of Bitcoin has actually ended with the percentage of entities holding or trading Bitcoin in a profit being as low as that. This we have to understand right now. And if we are keeping that in mind, then this chart makes much more sense. This 2-weekly chart on Bitcoin, where every single time Bitcoin was actually hitting the support, 2011, 2014, 2015, 2018 actually as well. Here in November, we just talked about that. And right now again, every single time we are hitting it and we are coming close to the apex. Right here, we are coming close to the apex. Yes, might go sideways for a few more weeks, but this is usually the moment Bitcoin is coming to a bear market end. Now I want to know from you, dear ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about that? What do you expect for Bitcoin? Do you actually think, and yes, possible, I just don't think so, that Bitcoin is gonna break down to 10,000 US dollars? Like almost everyone is expecting right now? Let me know down below. Leave your comments down below. Like this video. Come on. Let's break the records again for this video on the likes. We are one of the most viewed crypto channels in the world on YouTube. And we are almost every single time the most watched Bitcoin only video in the world. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye. Bye.